So hello guys, this is Sudheer. In this video, we are going to learn about the Krita. Okay, there are many components, there are many tools of Krita, and there are many components of Krita we are going to learn. So this is the second video of Krita. Okay, so Krita, you know that it is the free of cost software and it is the open source and you can install in your computer without paying any amount. Okay, so you can download. In the previous video I taught you how to download the Krita in your computer. So this is the second video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to start and how to work on Krita. So when you will start, this is the first window will be appear. So you have to click on the Control plus N. So this is the shortcut key of new image, and you can also click Control plus O. So this is the shortcut key of open image. Open image means there are many existing pictures in your computer. You can also open it in the Krita, and you can also work on it. Okay. So first, I would like to open new image. So I will click on this. Okay, and then you have to select the width and height and also resolution. Okay, so by default there is given 300, okay, resolution. So and it is given in the pixels, the small parts of a picture is pixels. So then I click on the create button and you can see new page will be created. So in this video, we are going to learn about the tools. You can see there are many tools. Okay. So we one by one we are going to learn, okay, about the tools, and there is many brushes. You can see, okay, there are many brushes. Brushes, you can see there is when you click on it, when you click on it, so there is no process. There is a, you can see here there are many process. Okay, also eraser tool, okay, pen tool, normal tool. So first I'm going to teach you, this is select shape tool. Okay, and this is the layer docker. Okay, here you can see the layer. Like by default when you open the Krita, there are two layer will be appear. First is the background layer. You can see this is the background layer and this is the paint layer 1. So by default there are two layer will be appear. Okay, so next we are going to learn, look, this is the text layer. Okay, sorry, text tool. Okay, and let's start the shape tool, like rectangle tool. This is the rectangle tool. With the help of rectangle tool you can draw the any rectangle. Okay, and you have to select the, you can also select the color. Look, there is the color plate. Okay, so you have to select the color and you can drag the on working space. This area is called working space. This area is called, this area is called working space. Okay, so this area is called or working space. Here you can draw anything. So I'm going to show it. Yeah, and if you want to draw with the help of the rectangle tool, you can draw the rectangle as well as you can draw the square. If you want to draw the square, you have to click on the shift button. Okay, holding the shift button you can drag. Okay, first you have to select the rectangle tool, then you have to hold, then you have to click on the shift button, and then you have to drag. Okay, you can see the square, okay, will be drawn. Okay, and next tool, like here you can see ellipse tool. Okay, ellipse tool is used to draw oval and circle. Okay, so you have to click on it, and then you have to select the color. Okay, there is the color plate. Yeah, otherwise here you have to click the right click, and then you have also, after that you can select the color. Okay, right click, and then you select the color. Then here you can draw the circle and oval. Look, this is the oval, and if you want to draw the circle, first you have to press the shift key, and then you have to draw. Okay, so here you can see there is the circle. Okay, next this is the polygon tool. Okay, polygon tool, it is used to draw the close figure. So you have to draw. Look, when you have to click on the workspace, and you can see, look, the close figure will be drawn. So this is the use of the polygon tool. Next, a polyline tool. Polyline tool does not use to draw the close figure. Okay, so here you can also, here you only put the point. So this is the polygon tool, and this is the polyline tool. Polyline tool means you have to only select, and then you click, double click, okay, on it, and it will be. So polygon tool is used to draw the close figure, but polyline tool is not used to draw close figure. Okay, so this is the difference between polyline and polygon and polyline tool. Next, this is the Bezier curve tool. Bezier curve tool, like it is like curve tool. Here you can also draw. Okay, and then you have to click on the double click. When you click on double click, it will be drawn. You can also change the color. Okay, no doubt. You can also change the color, so you can see. Next, freehand tool. Freehand tool, it's like a pen. Okay, when you write the write anything on a paper like this, you can also write anything, okay, on the workspace. So you have to only move the mouse pointer, and you can see, like here, if I want to write my name, so I can also write. Okay, I can also write with the help of freehand tool. Okay, so next, this is the dynamic tool. Dynamic tool is also work like a freehand tool, but it the difference between freehand and dynamic tool, it's draw actual what you want to write. Dynamic tool, with the help of the dynamic tool, but freehand tool, after writing, its effect something on it, like you can see. Yeah, so next, this is the multiple brush tool. Multiple brush tool, like there is a multiple brush. You can see multiple. Here you can select the, here you can select the another color, and then you can see, look, it is multiple brush tool. Okay, you can also change the brush, then you can see. Okay, yeah, you can see here, you can increase the size. Okay, and then you can, so it is very helpful application. You can make drawing, and after that you can see this is the transform a layer, transform it a layer, like this is the painting layer, and here I am draw the something. So you can move it. Okay, you can increase and decrease the object whatever you have drawn. Okay, so you can increase and decrease, you can see. Otherwise, then you have to click on the selected, it will be increase and decrease, it will be put on the workspace area. Next, you can that this is the move a layer. Move a layer, when you click on it, then you can move the layer whatever you drawn it. Okay, if you want to add the layer, you have to click on the plus area, and then you can see one layer has been added, and then you have to draw anything. Okay, so here you can see I have drawn the one picture first. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I have to size, then I can. And if I want to put and fill the color in this rectangle, I have to select the fill a fill 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 a color. Okay, so I have to click on it, and then I have to select the color, and then I can put the color on it. Okay, so here you can see color has been filled. And apart from this, there is the gradient. Look, and there is also crop. Okay, sorry, crop tool, you can also crop the image. Okay, whatever you want to crop, and you have to select, then you have to click on the enter button. Okay, so it will be cropped. Next, gradient. Look, this is the gradient. Gradient is used to apply on the background color. So look, I select the background layer. Okay, and first you have to unlock it, and then you can apply the color in it. Okay, so first I select the color, and I put the gradient. Here you can see the gradient will be applied. Okay. So gradient is used to apply on the background color. There is also mask tool. Okay, and this is the color picker. Color picker, like I have to pick the color. Look, I pick the this color. Here you can see color has been added on the color plate. Okay, so this is the color plate. Okay, this is the fill color. Okay, and enclose and fill color enclose. So these are the tools that is very helpful to draw the anything. Like if you want to draw house, if you want to draw anything, okay, on the workspace, you can use it. Okay, and you can draw. And this is the selection tool. Okay, you can select the any area. Then you have to put draw anything. After selecting, you can draw anything on it. Okay, you can't draw outside. After selecting, you can't draw outside. Like look, I select the another color. Yeah, so I have to draw. Look, I have to draw the circle. So when I draw outside of the selecting area, so it will be not possible. And when you draw the circle in a selecting area, you can see the you can see circle has been drawn. So this is the very helpful tool. You can also, there are many there are different types of selection tool, like elliptical selection tool. Okay, and polygon selection tool, freehand selections tool. So these types of there are many selection tool you can use. And there is also pen tool. Pen tool means this tool is used to move the workspace. Okay, you can move it anywhere you want to. And this is the also zoom tool. Zoom tool is used to zoom in and zoom out. So zoom this, you can also zoom it and zoom out with the help of the scroll button. Okay, there is the scroll button on the mouse, you can use it and you can draw. So I think this class really helpful for you. So meet you the next class. Okay, so